Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a Dread Effects update. Now as you can see, we are in Studio 2 and this is where we're going to be based for the majority of next week, and I just wanted to give you a little update of what's coming up on the channel, so you've got something to look forward to. I've been sorting out pieces of artwork this afternoon and I've pieced together a load of pieces to do in Studio 2 for you guys for some airbrush step-by-step guides. We've got a load of portraits I've put together and some real difficult ones, so it's going to be a challenging week next week. So the first one that we're going to be doing, which will be tomorrow's upload, fingers crossed, is this one on the screen now. We're going Cyberpunk on this, guys. This is a black and grayscale portrait, so you've got the side shot of the skull type punk, and then you've got the Mohican hairdo. That's going to be all in candy colours on that, so you're going to see a bit of candy painting on this one as well. So that's what's coming up tomorrow, and then after that we've got this one, a little bit more tricky, a bit more challenging, but we'll crack on with it. This one is a skull and snake, so you've got all the textures in the snake and then that wraps around into the skull. So that's the next one to do, guys. And then I've pieced together another one. This is another piece of skull artwork. I'll pop that up in the screen now. So you've got one called Youre Next and it's pointing towards you, so we've got that to do. So it's a nice bit of depth of field on this one to do. You've got the bone textures and the colours in the face and in the hand, and we've got some grayscale on that one as well. So that one's coming up. After that one we have got this one just here. Now this is a sugar skull and I've dropped blue into the face and some of the textures, so we're going to do the candy blues on this on a nice grayscale portrait, guys. So I'll take you through that one. The next one coming up is more photorealistic. It's this one here. So we've got Wonder Woman and we've got a background on this of a war scene, so we've got to do the whole picture of this, guys. So this one might be in 2 episodes long, but it'll be well worth watching, guys, because there'll be some good tips and tricks in this one. And then the final one for the tail end of the week is going to be John Wick, Bubba Yaga. I've done 2 pieces together, joined them up, so we've got John Wick with the gun and then we've got the background of a dark scene in the background. So that's another sort of photorealism one to talk you through. So we'll be based in Studio 2 for this. As I say, the first one's tomorrow and it's going to be the Cyberpunk. So I hope you can join me in this little episodes of these airbrush step-by-steps. Just wanted to give you a little update. Big warm welcome to all the new subscribers, and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, guys, click that subscribe, press that notification. It is helping the channel out and it's helping it grow. That's what I wanted to do. I just want to say big thanks again, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys, for the next upload.